Welcome, seekers of powerful manifestation techniques. In this video, we are going to unveil a technique that has the potential to take your results to new heights at an accelerated pace. Get ready to discover the remarkable benefits of enhancing prayer with imagination. Many of us believe in the power of prayer, sending our intentions and requests to the universe or a higher power. But have you ever considered supercharging your prayers by incorporating the limitless potential of your imagination? This technique goes beyond the traditional act of prayer. It involves utilizing your vivid imagination to amplify the energy behind your intentions, allowing them to manifest in your life with multifold results and at a faster pace. Imagine this. By enhancing your prayers with the power of your imagination, you create a dynamic synergy between your inner visions and the cosmic forces at play. This synergy propels your manifestations forward, bringing them to fruition in ways you never thought possible. If you're new to our channel and you're excited to learn more about manifestation techniques and explore the limitless power within you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll join our vibrant community of like-minded individuals who are on a journey of personal growth and manifestation mastery. All right, let's begin. Prayer has long been recognized as a way to connect with our divine selves and tap into the infinite possibilities that surround us. And according to the teachings of Neville Goddard, renowned spiritual teacher, prayer is not merely about asking for our desires, but rather aligning ourselves with the very essence of what we seek. So how can we enhance our prayers to unlock their full potential? The answer lies within the incredible power of our imagination. Neville Goddard believed that through imagination, we can supercharge our prayers, making them more potent and effective in manifesting our desires. By utilizing the process of imagination, we bridge the gap between the conscious and subconscious mind, opening up a direct line of communication with the universe. One key aspect of enhancing prayer with imagination is being specific in our visualizations. When we imagine our desires, we must include vivid details, allowing for greater clarity and precision. The more specific we are, the easier it becomes for our subconscious mind to assimilate what we envision, aligning our energy with the manifestation process. But it doesn't stop there. To truly amplify our visualizations, we must immerse ourselves in the feeling that our desired outcome has already come true. By engaging our emotions, we infuse our imagination with a powerful energy that resonates with the universe, attracting the experiences that match our inner vibrations. And here's a valuable tip to enhance your imagination practice. Incorporate affirmations of gratitude into your prayer visualization. Before going to sleep, when your subconscious mind is most receptive, chant affirmations that express deep gratitude for the fulfillment of your desires. This not only reinforces your belief in the manifestation process, but also programs your subconscious to align with the energies of abundance and gratitude. According to Neville Goddard, there are few steps which should be followed for a successful and faster manifestation. Watch carefully. Believing in yourself and having unwavering faith in the universe are paramount when it comes to manifesting your desires. It starts with trusting in your own abilities and knowing that you are worthy of the life you desire. Have confidence in your innate power to co-create with the universe. Affirmations play a crucial role in manifesting your desires. Use positive and empowering statements that align with your goals and aspirations. Repeat these affirmations daily, allowing them to permeate your subconscious mind. Immerse yourself in the desired feelings associated with your desires. Feel the joy, abundance, and fulfillment as if your desires have already come true. This deep emotional connection enhances your manifestation process. Surrender to the divine. Trust that the universe has a plan and is working to bring your desires to fruition in the perfect timing. Let go of the need to control every aspect and surrender to the flow of the universe. But remember, manifestation requires action. Take consistent steps towards your goals. Break them down into manageable tasks and work towards them with intention and perseverance. When you align your actions with your desires, you can manifest your dreams into reality. An attitude of gratitude is essential when manifesting your desires. Gratitude keeps you focused on the positive and allows you to attract more of what you appreciate. Be grateful for the blessings in your life, both big and small. Express gratitude for the progress you've made towards your desires, even before they fully manifest. Journaling gratitude is a powerful practice that strengthens your connection to the universe and your desires. Each day, write down the things you are grateful for. As you pour your gratitude onto the pages, you amplify the energy of appreciation and open yourself up to receiving more blessings. And there you have it, the 4 key steps for manifesting your desires. Remember, it all starts with self-belief, faith in the universe, affirmations, immersive feelings, surrender, consistent action, and an attitude of gratitude. Journaling your gratitude will deepen your connection to the universe and intensify the manifestation process. Friends, the benefits of enhancing prayer with imagination are nothing short of extraordinary. Firstly, it intensifies your focus and concentration, allowing you to channel your energy into specific desired outcomes. Your imagination serves as a laser-like tool that directs the manifestation process towards your goals. Secondly, by intertwining your prayers with vivid imagery, you engage your subconscious mind on a deeper level. Your subconscious is a powerful force that responds to the images and emotions you create, attracting corresponding experiences and opportunities into your life. And here's where the magic truly happens. The blending of prayer and imagination opens up a direct line of communication with the universe. You become an active co-creator, aligning your intentions with the greater cosmic energy that surrounds us all. So my friends, as we conclude this video, remember the key takeaways that will empower your manifestation journey. Gratitude is a potent tool that propels your desires into reality. Cultivate a consistent practice of gratitude, expressing appreciation for what you have and what is yet to come. Let gratitude be the foundation on which you manifest your dreams. The law of assumption reminds us that if we assume something with unwavering faith, it will become our reality. Believe in the possibility of your desires manifesting and hold that belief firmly in your heart. Trust in the infinite wisdom of the universe to bring forth what you envision. Visualization is a powerful component of prayer and manifestation. Immerse yourself in detailed visualizations that reflect the fulfillment of your desires. See, feel, and experience them in your mind's eye with clarity and emotion. This deep connection with your vision aligns you with the energy necessary for manifestation. As you repeat affirmations, remain positive and steadfast, even when faced with negative thoughts or beliefs. Trust in your own power and the power of the universe to bring about the changes you seek. Believe in yourself and believe in the process without questioning the timing or the how. Gratitude remains an essential element throughout your manifestation journey, whether you desire success, prosperity, love, or any other outcome. Stay grateful for the manifestations you have already received, the progress you have made, and the abundance that awaits you. Gratitude keeps your vibration high and attracts more of what you appreciate. Thank you for watching, and remember, the power to manifest lies within you. So whether you are seeking financial abundance, fulfilling relationships, or vibrant health, enhancing your prayer with imagination is a game changer. Until we meet in the next video, Keep manifesting using the power of enhancing prayer with imagination.